Welcome back. So let us have now our example number 2 for compression members. A W300 by 75 is used as a column with unsupported length of L. The column is fixed at the bottom and pinned at the top. Calculate the ASD design strength and allowable strength of the column when first L is equal to 3 meters and second L is equal to 7.5 meters. Use Fy is equal to 345 megapascals and recommended value of effective length factor for approximated ideal conditions. Then given to us are the properties of the wide flange. Okay, so take note na sinabi sa atin dito that you're going to use the recommended value of effective length factor. So, again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, binibigay naman yan. Sinasabi if you're going to use the recommended. Okay. And then, when we say unsupported length of L, ibig sabihin yan yung walang, kumbaga parang, yan yung span na walang support. Okay? So, yung support niya is yung nasa dulo-dulo niya. Okay? Then, given sa atin, sabi sa atin that the fixed and bottom, the column is fixed at the bottom and then pinned on the top. So, ibig sabihin, if you're going to design this or drawing natin, fixed at the bottom and then pinned daw sa taas. So, ibig sabihin, ang K mo dito will be equal to 0.8 using the recommended value. Okay? So, una, kuhanin na muna natin yung ating design if length is equal to 3.0 meters. Okay? So, anong unang step natin? Step 1, kuhanin si SR. Okay? So, let's solve for SRX, which is KL over R. Given naman na si R, diba? We have RX and RY. Okay. Ang K natin is 0.8 and then the length natin is 3,000. Then, we divide it by our Rx, which is 132. Then, si SRX natin will be equal daw kanino? That will be equal to 18.182. Okay, next, let us solve for SRY using KL over R. So, since wala naman sinabi sa atin na may brace siya sa kahit saang part ng unsupported, so same pa rin. We have 0.8, then multiplied it by 3,000, divided by the RY of 49.8. So, makukuha natin dito will be equal to 48.193. So, since mas malaki si SRY, mas mag-govern ngayon si SRY. And let us store this to A. Okay? So, actually, dito kasi talaga, pag wala kang ibang brace, nag-govern talaga si Y. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba si Web nga yung nagiging slender natin. Sabi sabihin, siya yung mas mataas yung slenderness ratio. Okay? Next natin is to solve for CC. Let us solve for CC using square root ng 2 pi squared. Diretso na natin ha, because this is just 200,000 megapascals divided by, ang given sa atin na Fy is 345. At ang makukuha natin dito will be equal to 106.972. And let us store this by B. Okay? And then, next is to compare. Okay, comparing now our SRY to CC, CC is greater than. So, therefore, this is an intermediate column. Okay, so this is an intermediate column, meaning, kuhanin muna natin si Z. Si Z is just equal to SRY over CC, wherein SRY is na kay A divided by B. Makukuha natin dito will be equal to 0.4505, and let us store this by C. Then before we proceed in getting the FA, let us solve first for our FS. And our Fs is just equal to 5 over 3 plus 3 over 8. Then, rekta na natin C minus 1 over 8 C cube. At ang makukuha natin na Fs will be equal kay 1.824. And since mahaba pa yan, let us store it by D. The next natin is to solve now for FA. So solving now for FA, that is just 1 minus 0.5 C squared multiplied by Fy over Fs. So we have to substitute the given values. 1 minus 0.5 C squared multiplied by 345 over nakastore kay D. And ang makukuha natin na FA dito will be equal to, this is equal to 169.933 megapascals. But since we are talking about the strength, okay, so ang kailangan natin kuhanin is the value of PA. And that is just equal to FA multiplied by AG. So, this is 169.933 megapascals multiplied by the area. May binigay bang area? Yes, that is 9,420 millimeter squared. So, divide na natin agad kay 1,000 para naka-kilonewton na tayo pag may nakuha tayo. So, PA now will be equal to 1,600.768 kilonewton. And that is your final answer. Next, sabi naman sa atin, if L is equal to 7.5 meters. So, if that is the case, let us solve for our SRX and SRY. But since sabi nga natin, di ba, mas nag-govern naman si SRY. Si SRY na lang kuhanin natin. SRY is just equal to KL over R. And yung K natin still the same, 0.8. Pero si L natin will be now equal to 7,500 divided by the RY of 49.8. So, makukuha natin dito will be equal to 120.482. So, let us store this with, palitan na natin yung value ni A kanina. A na tayo ngayon. Next natin, si CC ba magbabago? No, di ba? Kasi same pa rin naman. Yun pa rin naman yung value niya. Hindi naman nagbago yung elastic. Hindi rin naman nagbago yung Fy natin. So, ibig sabihin, CC is still equal to 106.972. So, if that is the case, makikita natin that SRY is now greater than the CC. So, ibig sabihin, ang nakuha natin ngayon is a long column. So, kapag long column ang nakuha mo, ang magagamitin na lang natin na formula for FA is equal to 12 pi squared E over 23 KL over R squared. Okay, so wherein, substitute lang natin, 12 pi squared, then si E natin is 200,000 divided by 23 at nakastore si KL over R kay A. Then don't forget naka-square. So therefore, makukuha natin that the value of FA is equal to 70.948 megapascals. But since we are talking about the strength again, we have to multiply it by the area gross. Okay? So, we have 70.948 megapascals multiply again by the area gross of 9,420 mm squared. And then, ang gawin na natin, we divide it by 1,000 Newton para kilonewton na yung makukuha nating value ni PA, which is 668.329 kilonewton. So, this is now your final answer. So, thank you for listening.